So I'm just going to show you how to plant your Chicago Grows Food Kit. So you just take everything out of the box. It's just the soil, the bag, the activity book, and the seeds. So the first thing you're going to want to do is look for maybe a plate, or if you have a plastic tray, something like that, just so if you have a little too much water, it's not going to mess up your counter or wherever you have it. So you're going to very first pour the soil into your bag. These grow bags are really nice. And the soil already has some nutrients and some fertilizer in it. It's another good reason for the plate in case you spill a little bit. Makes it a little easier to clean up. So then you're going to just want to pat down your soil gently. And for lettuce seeds, the lettuce seeds are really, really tiny. There are directions on here. Just sprinkle the seeds over the surface of the dirt. And you want to try and spread them out just a tad. Child, just like we did in class today, what they think the seeds look like, what shape they are they hard, are they soft? Just get them talking about what they observe. So a great way to do it is to pour just a few seeds into your child's hands and let them sprinkle just a few at a time. And there's probably enough in this packet to do, I would say, like 2 plantings of lettuce. So you can see I have them sprinkled across the surface of the soil, and then you're just going to want to lightly cover them. So you could kind of give your child the soil in their hand, and again, you can talk about what are they seeing and observing with their 5 senses, and just sprinkle it very slowly and gently. Sometimes we like to tell the children that the seeds are like babies and we have to take really good care of them and be really gentle with them. So after you've sprinkled your soil and your seeds, and it's even okay if you can see some of your lettuce seeds on the top of the soil. They don't have to be buried down deep, especially because we're going to be growing these inside. We don't have to worry about birds or squirrels coming and eating our seeds. Then this is a great technique to teach your children to water the plants. You can pretend that your hand is a little rain cloud and just pour a little bit of water and let it drip through your fingers, just like your hand is a rain cloud. And we don't want to put too much water, just a little bit every day. Another thing that children really like, another great watering technique, is just to stick your hand and just drip the water. It's a great sensory experience for them. And then you just want to make sure that you leave your plant somewhere where it can get good light. If you have an outdoor space, you could leave it outside, or it can be inside. Lettuce does not mind cold weather at all. If it's chilly, that will be perfectly fine. And you want to make sure that you don't get your soil too wet. You don't want the soil soaking wet. You just want it moistened. I hope that you and your children have a really good time with your Grow Your Groceries kit, and I'm looking forward to seeing the lettuce growing.